Hi, welcome to Data on My View. In this video, I'm going to show that predefined expressions which is available in Webi report. So predefined expressions which you can get it from this section report element under cells. You have predefined. So these are the predefined expressions which you can use on a report header or report footer, even a report body. So the three major information is report filter summary, prompt, and query summary. So let us talk about query summary. So if I drag and drop this query summary, so this is going to give you the overall information about the query which we are using for this report. So query is nothing but the object from universe, right? So these are the query properties. It is going to say universe name, last refresh date, last execution, duration, number of rows fetched for this particular selection, and even duplicate rows, retrieve empty rows. So other lot of information about these query properties, and it is also going to show the result objects. So what are the objects we are using here, those objects information, and if we are using any filters, then those filters also will be displayed here. So in a single query summary we can get all the information. So it is, as it is a cell, it is difficult to format as we expected, but still we can format like left alignment, right alignment, and even we can change the font color and font size. So that is possible. Still you can use match function to extract certain data, and we can show as a separate cell. That is also possible. So here the filters are view and year. So if I show that filters, so these are the two filters I'm using for my report. So you can see those informations. So this is query summary. Let me take the other predefined function. So other one is prompt. So actually this is going to be very good information, as it is going to have the information which is very required for end user to see what are the values has been selected as a prompt screen selection. So these two are my prompt screen selection. So here the value will be displayed. So end user can see the values here, so they can have this information on top of the report. So whenever they see the report, they can see what are the selections they have made on the selection screen. Even when you take a printout, this will be good to identify what are the selections has been made through selection screen. So by seeing this value, so still you can customize like left alignment, right alignment, the same all the cell properties or formatting is applicable for this one as well. And query name is nothing but query one, which you can define a query name for this section, so that will be reflected here. So if I change the query name, then this query name will be reflected on the predefined expressions. So here you can see the query name has changed. The third one is report filter summary. So report filter summary, in the sense, as we talked, the information which we can capture the selection screen filters through prompt summary or even a query summary. So what happened when you filter inside the report? So inside I have created a element link for this report, and the dependent of this one is this chart. So if I select any value, then this is going to be filtered. I can see the information through this input control. If you want to learn about this element linking, then watch my one of the video. I have a separate videos for element link. So here we have captured city as Austin. This information is very difficult to capture. For example, if you want to use this information for any of your other logics in the same report, then it will be very difficult to capture the information. So to get those type of filters inside report, we have a report filter summary expression. So this is going to show the information, so what has been filtered. Here you can see filter on block 5 and filter on block prompt summary. So actually this is also considered as a block. This will be removed. So the block 5 is nothing but this chart. So if you want to have a proper naming information, then you can change to proper name, so that you can easily identify what are the filters has been applied. So for this column chart, the filter is city equal S10. So if I change the value, then it is going to reflect the changes on this default expression. So using this one, you can still have a position and match expressions to get a separate only city equal hosting information out of this whole multi lines of data. So these three predefined expressions will be most most useful expression for all your reports. So this will help the end user to understand the filters which is made while running the report, even after inside the report.